Page 156, this is a theme from the Unfinished Symphony by Schubert. Again, it's an example of French horn music, and we want to transpose it to concert keyed instrument. If you had a French horn, they were going to play this, and you wanted to play the same notes on piano, you got to transpose it. Keep in mind, you're down a fifth, so that first note is a B flat, you got to go down a fifth to an E flat on piano. We got to transpose the key signature, because I can't keep figuring out am I playing a black key or a white key or what. Just play it by the key signature if you know the scales. So we're in B flat major here, I got to go down a fifth here. So we're going to play it in E flat major on piano. E flat major has 3 flats instead of 2. We're adding a flat. See up above we added a flat and went from C major to F major, we added a flat. See, it's like going around the circle of fifths the other direction, because normally we would add sharps and then subtract flats. So here we're adding flats, and so it's oh well. B flat then becomes an E flat. F becomes a B flat. And then if the intervals are small, you just think down a step or up a step or down a third or up a third or whatever. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the F, go down a fifth here, then down a fourth, then the natural again, and then see in measure 7, then down, well it's down a perfect fifth, let's just go down fifth. Remember, we played an E natural earlier in the measure, so it's still E natural. Then go down. So it's a combination of take it down a fifth or follow the flow of the music, as up a second, down a second, up a third, down a third, whatever it is. Just make sure you can play it accurately if you're actually working with a student, because if you start playing wrong notes, it just makes it worse on the student. What's going on? And then if they lose confidence in you, you've lost them. So make sure you can play this accurately transposed before you're going to work with a student.